Welcome to this tutorial on how to unsignal from a subgraph. Now, unsignaling from a subgraph is really easy. It's basically consists of three really simple steps. First of all, you need to connect to MetaMask, and also you need to connect MetaMask to the network of the graph. Then you need to unsignal from the subgraph that you wish to burn curation shares from, and then you need to confirm the transactions. So let's have a look how this all looks in the live Graph Explorer. So first of all, connect your MetaMask by clicking here, clicking connect, and then selecting MetaMask. Next, you can select your account and click connect. Once you're connected, you see your wallet address. So to find the subgraphs that I'm signaling, I simply click on my wallet and select curating. And now I see the subgraphs that I'm currently signaling on. In my case, this is live peer. So let's say I wish to unsignal from live peer. I simply click here on the name live peer and wait for the window to load. And then I simply click on the drop down menu here and click on unsignal. So what will happen is that a new window will pop up, and then it shows me how many shares of the subgraph I own. In this case, I own 0.3 shares, and I simply put that into the form here, and then I click on unsignal. Next, I simply confirm the transaction, and then I need to wait until the transaction is being recorded to the blockchain. And once this is done, I have successfully unsignaled from the subgraph. So I hope this video has helped you. If you have any further questions, simply write a comment below or get in touch with us, and we are more than happy to help you. Until then, have a great time. Thank you very much for watching.